Hello friends, welcome to Cheryl's Topsy Turvy Recipes. I hope you all are well, fit and fine. Today I am going to make Dhaniya Mutton Curry. I have taken 1 kilo mutton over here. First of all, I will boil the mutton in the karai. So I'll show you how I am going to boil it. So I hope you all will like this recipe. If you are new to my channel, please like, comment, share, subscribe. So come on, I will show you how I'm going to boil the mutton first and then make the curry. This is the water I have taken. Now I will put in the meat in the water. The meat is put. Now I will put some turmeric powder. And put some salt, little bit of salt, because I have to put salt in the curry also. Cover it up and let it boil first. Friends, the mutton is boiling over here, you can see. I will take the mutton out now. I will show you the masalas which I am going to use. I have taken ginger, garlic, dry red chilies, green chilies, onions, dhania and jeera. The onions I am going to cut it in small pieces. The dhania, jeera, ginger, garlic, green chilies and the red dry chilies, I am going to make it into a paste. I have taken dhaniya patti also to grind this also, because I am making dhaniya mutton curry, so I will need this also. So I have taken dhaniya patti, this also I will grind. So the mutton, I am going to take it out now. It's already half boiled. And the water, the mutton stock, I will keep it and use it for the gravy. Friends, now to make the dhaniya mutton curry, put some mustard oil. Oil is turned hot. I have taken khara garam masala. You can see this I am putting in. Some bay leaves. This also I have put in. I chopped up in this size the onions. I will put the onions also. I will let the onions fry golden brown. Friends, the onions are turned golden brown, you can see. Now I will put in the masala paste. This is dhania, jeera, red chilies and green chili paste. I have put in that paste. This is ginger garlic paste. Put some turmeric powder. I will not use chili powder because I have used dry red chilies and green chilies. If you all want to put red chili powder, you all can put. Otherwise, you all also can skip it. This is the masala water. This also I'll put in. Let the masalas fry nicely. Put the salt to taste. Friends, the masala has gone brown. You see the masalas? It's turned brown. Now I will put in the mutton, which I have boiled and kept here. The mutton also is cooked up here. Half it's cooked up. I will show you now. Mutton also is half cooked. You can see. It won't take very long to cook now. So this I am going to put in. I will fry the mutton along with the masala a little bit. Friends, the meat also is fried up with the masalas. Now I will put the dhaniya patti, the paste. I have made paste with the dhaniya patti. This I will put in. The mutton stock which I have kept, now this I will add it to the mutton. Put in the meat masala. Put in the garam masala powder. I have chopped up one tomato. This also I will put in. Cover it up and let the mutton cook nicely. Friends, you can see the mutton cooking and the scent also is coming out very nice, very appetizing. Friends, today the mutton curry will be very tasty. The dhaniya mutton curry. It will be very tasty and delicious to eat. Please watch the full video. Do not skip. I will make the gravy little thick. The mutton is cooked up tender, but I will make the gravy thick, so I will let the water dry up little more. Friends, the gravy is gone thick. Now I will take it down from the fire. Friends, you can see the dhaniya mutton curry is ready. Friends, dhaniya mutton curry is ready to be eaten. It's looking so delicious. I hope you all will like it. Thank you for watching my video.